Hi guys, if you're annoyed by the idea of paying Apple to get a custom ringtone, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you step by step how to take any part of a song or any audio file and make it your iPhone ringtone. The process is completely free, but for this you will have to use a computer or laptop. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Can't I just make a ringtone on my iPhone? Sadly, no, you can't. Apple doesn't allow apps to write ringtones into the special folder, so ignore all those App Store apps which claim to be able to do it, they can't. Let's start the tutorial and see how to put custom ringtone on iPhone without iTunes. First of all, open any browser on your PC. Now, search for Apower Manager on Google. Open the first website from search results. Download Apower Manager tool on your PC from here. Install the Apower Manager in your PC after the download is complete. Now open the App Store on your iPhone. Search and download the Apower Manager app. Now open the application and leave it open till the process is over. Launch the Apower Manager tool on your PC. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a lightning cable. After connecting, this is how your phone's information will appear on the program interface. To start transferring ringtones to your iPhone, click Music. Now click on the ringtones under the Music tab. From there, click on the Import button and then select from Import File and Import Folder. Select the ringtones you wish to transfer to your iPhone and then click Open. Once you click on the Open, the ringtones will then be transferred to your iPhone immediately. Now you can set the newly added ringtone to your iPhone. To set the ringtones, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the Sounds button and then tap the ringtones. You can set the default ringtone here. This is just a very simple way to set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone running on iOS 13 for free and without using the iTunes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a like to this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos. So thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you soon.